Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make stuffed chicken breasts with spinach and cheese. This is a very comforting and tasty meal. If you want to print the recipe, go to my website anitacooks.com, and I've also put a link in the description below. All the ingredients and measurements are listed below this video. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts. This recipe makes 6. Fresh spinach leaves. You can substitute frozen chopped spinach. Just make sure you squeeze out all the liquid after thawing. Grated garlic, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, or Pecorino Romano. We'll also need all-purpose flour and olive oil. First, we'll pound the chicken so it's thin. Place the chicken on plastic wrap or parchment paper and put another piece on top. Use a meat mallet or a small heavy pan to pound it thin evenly. It'll look like this. Heat up a pan and pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Grate the garlic right into the pan. Make sure the heat is low so the garlic doesn't burn. Cook for about 20 seconds, just so the raw flavor goes away. Add about half the spinach leaves, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, sprinkle on a little coarse salt and stir. When it wilts, you'll have room to add the rest of the spinach. It'll cook down in just a few minutes. The spinach is cooked, set it aside. Season both sides of each piece of chicken with coarse salt and ground black pepper. Chop the cooked spinach and move to a bowl. Grate the Parmesan on the large holes of a box grater or use a food processor. You should have 2 ounces or 60 grams. To the spinach, add the cream cheese. Leave it out of the fridge for a while so it gets soft and is easier to mix. Add the Parmesan. Taste this and add more salt or pepper if you'd like. Spread a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour on a plate. You'll need toothpicks or kitchen twine to hold the chicken together. Put some of the spinach cheese filling in the middle of the chicken. Roll the chicken as tight as possible and secure with toothpicks or twine. If you have too much filling oozing out the sides, just remove it. Coat the filled chicken in flour. Heat up a pan and pour enough oil to coat the bottom. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, or a combination. When the oil is hot, put the chicken in. Brown on one side, turn over and brown the other side and all over. After browning, the chicken is almost cooked. I finished cooking the chicken in a heated 350-degree oven for 5 to 8 minutes. If you want to continue cooking it in the pan, that's fine too. Just brown all the breasts first, then put them back in the pan with only a tiny bit of oil, cover it and cook until done. When the chicken is cool enough to handle, pull the toothpicks out. The meat is juicy and the filling is creamy. Slice it a few times and it looks even prettier. I do hope you try this as it's simple to make, but looks like you put a lot of work into it. Subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.